On the Strong Coast project, we work with local communities to co-design nature-based solutions, which are approaches to restore, protect, and sustainably manage our natural environments. And then once we digitize this information, we share it back with them to make sure that what we understand aligns with what's important to protect.
The difference between the Strong Coast project and other projects, we make sure to bring back the data information to the communities.
In this part of the project, we are looking at the role of private property owners and renters in mangrove restoration along Placencia Lagoon. And so we are looking at the question of how is it that we can engage these private property owners and renters in mangrove restoration.
We conducted a mangrove perception short structured interview on the peninsula from Placencia, St. Bite, Maya Beach, and more than 50% of the participants were supportive of nature-based solutions, so this is really good.
As part of the Strong Coast team, I'm looking at coral resilience planning. Corals are a huge part of our coastal protection. Corals are essential for biodiversity because they're such a huge part of the ecosystem.
Corals and mangroves are examples of nature-based solutions that are able to help protect and adapt to different climate impacts while also sustaining communities.
So we engage community through workshops, and on those workshops we had field maps where the community would identify the areas that are valuable to them so that we can know where to prioritize for nature-based solution. And we will host another workshop doing storytelling based on the information that we have received from them.
With those informations that we obtained from the ecosystems, but also from the communities through the interviews, we put it together and we develop a model where we can see how the abundance of fish may increase when we restore the coral reef.
One of the reasons why this project is exciting is because Belize is trying to pioneer blue carbon finance. And so with this project, we can demonstrate to them specific places where they can focus on implementation of their work and then continue to attract further investment into these projects.
This work is really important because by identifying priority areas, it benefits the local community, and it also plays into a global initiative which is trying to protect 30% of the world's oceans by 2030.
The community in Placencia Lagoon has been wanting to protect the lagoon for a long time, and partners like WWF would like to identify ambassadors who would be supportive of mangrove restoration and conservation in the lagoon.
It's not just us working on it, but it's also the communities playing a huge role. They're identifying the places that they think are important.